This is a very interesting topic. So most of the people are aware of it. I think so, but let me tell you from brief. So we'll wait for a couple of minutes. So yeah, we can start the session right away then. It's already 6:05, so it's getting late. Yeah. So first of all, we all joined here for the session of Salesforce mobile app and its features. So before going to the topic, we'll go through the content. Yeah. So we'll go to the content. So we are all planning to make a good career in Salesforce ecosystem. So we are all getting into Salesforce ecosystem, and we have to plan our certifications as well as our career planning, because getting into Salesforce ecosystem is very much easy. But when compared to the certifications and the study material, what we get, and the most importantly, we have to go through the study material what you are doing. I mean, like there are so many clouds that are there in Salesforce ecosystem. So saasguru is a very good platform to explore yourself, because the study material and boot camp, and there are so many sessions right away. When it comes to the supercharging of Salesforce certifications, see, certifications are like mandatory as of now. So because going to the certification, you can learn so many things like admin, platform development, platform developer, PD1. There are so many certifications, and it's the best thing to do while getting into Salesforce ecosystem. Once you are having experience or a fresher or anything, you can go through the saasguru website and you can explore more and more, because there is so much to learn nowadays. Upskilling yourself is the best thing to do to sustain in the industry. And yeah, so this is what I meant to say. See, it's all about if you're going to a mall or something, they'll put 40% or 50% or something like that, because they have to attract them. But here, like TriLate plus saasguru, you will get easily get certified in Salesforce ecosystem. And having certification, you will get more offers, more opportunities in the in the current system, because the recruiters or the companies, MNCs or startup companies, more of the companies are wanted to get certified. If you're not into project also, they were asking you to get into yourself by get certified. So saasguru provides excellent material. I went to the website also; it's very much good. So I have my mentor profile in the saasguru website, so you can go through it, and you can, if you have any concerns, you can reach out to me Slack and all the things. So certification, saasguru, and all the things are getting hands on. Like TriLet, saasguru is also very much well organized. Okay, and after that, you will be having the certifications, and apart from that, you will have the live classes with the free webinars. And please make sure you have to attend all the webinars of mine, not only mine, and there are so many topics that are going through the saasguru website. Go through it, explore, and if you want to learn anything, if you have any if you have any like queries or something like that regarding Salesforce or update something, anything related to it, you can reach out to me. Okay, it's not a big problem. Yeah, Slack community you can join. That's the best thing to do. Yeah. So after that, you can go to straight away. So this is my introduction. So as I also learned from scratch, I have learned Salesforce. So saasguru played a crucial role from getting into after being a journey to Salesforce success story, and being an all-star ranger and all the things that I've done, and explore so many things in TriLed. So please go on to the TriLed and do work for at least 1 hour per day and on TriLed and saasguru, and learn anything. So weekdays you can learn. So weekend it's up to you. So apart from that, so I've been inspired so many people. So I have so many, they have reached out to me regarding trial bears and all the community people. So I've attended so many events also. Yeah, this is the main thing that I have. And recently I've done MuleSoft Industry Champion also. So I've been also featured in the general sales ecosystem advertising images that are used for promotions, sales promotions. And successfully I have joined I had to give back to the community that what I have learned recently from scratch. From after 3 years I have experience in Salesforce, so in partner company. So apart from that, I have joined as a saasguru, and in saasguru I have joined as a guru. So coming to the topic, our topic is all about Salesforce mobile app and its features. And first of all, what is Salesforce mobile app? See, in Salesforce we are having a login.salesforce website in Chrome or mobile Firebox. We can use it in any way. So we will simply log in through our username and password. Okay. So, but in mobile, whereas in mobile, we will be having a app. Okay. You can go to the Play Store, or you can go to the iOS. If you are using Apple or Android mobile, you can go to the App Store or Play Store, and you can simply download the Salesforce app. Okay. Official Salesforce app. You have to set up the Salesforce mobile app. And what we will learn here means from scratch, setting up the Salesforce mobile app and mobile app applications. And whereas, see, if you're not connected to internet, if you're in some other area, how should we getting the notifications? How should we you will not get the notifications. Sorry, apart from that, you will be able to read what the content that is available in the Salesforce. So how you can customize the things and everything. I'll let you know about in detail. So the mobile app notifications and working offline and with Salesforce mobile app. Okay, this is very much important, crucial. So sales features, see, especially in US and whereas in India also, sales and marketing play a crucial role in the Salesforce ecosystem, because the most amount of revenue that will be generated through Salesforce marketing is huge, tremendous actually. Salesforce growing yearly more and more. And recently, in 2000, in this year 2022, Mark Benioff, our CEO, Salesforce ecosystem, Salesforce CEO, has been named as number one CEO in the world. And coming into this, the Salesforce Mobile, for suppose, see, we'll go through this. Is the Salesforce Mobile app. You can customize actually. You can go through the links actually. Just a second. See here, there are the four type of links. I'll provide this for a basic understanding, and it will be helpful for you too. Anyway, I'll explain all the things. No worries. Yeah. So you can explore in the later part after once you're done with the session, you can explore those. So it will be helpful for you. And after coming to the topic, so see, in Salesforce Mobile, once you got installed into in a mobile, the Salesforce official app through Play Store or iOS, then you can have this. See, in the Salesforce enterprise mobile application allows only business users. See, there are so many type of enterprises that are available in our Salesforce ecosystem, like enterprise and the free edition of developer edition. Currently, we are using the developer edition. Okay, the Salesforce enterprise mobile application allows business users to access information to get the work done while they are on the go. So, for suppose they're using the Salesforce mobile app. If they're having the enterprise edition of the mobile application they are using, they can able to use all the business users that are having the access to information, all the things, business users. So it's about the enterpriseation, but we need not have to be enterpriseation because we're just the users. We're not a business users, or we are not custom. We are not delivering something. We are not working on something. We're just using the app. Then here is the one thing. Yeah, I said you earlier also, you can Play Store and Google Play, you can download it. So it is supported with all the Salesforce editions, upgrades and all the things, except database.com. Okay, except database.com, everything will be supported. And setting up the Salesforce mobile app, it's very much easy and customizable also. No, you need not to be worried about it. Okay, a special mobile license is not required because see, Salesforce provides a free license for all the users currently. And apart from that, business users will be getting the normal edition, like developer edition. Okay. And this is the Salesforce users, and we will be getting these type of things. Okay. Salesforce users and Salesforce platform, Lightning app platform users, and charter and community, all the things we will be able to help. We will be able to get this one. And user licenses without access to Salesforce mobile. See, these are the things we will not able to get the access. Okay. Portal users who are not members of Salesforce community, and database.com, I said you earlier also. Database.com users and sites and sitestop.com users. So these all people will not able to access the Salesforce mobile app. Okay. And WT users also. So in app notifications, we have to use the relevant activity while using the Salesforce mobile app. So users always will check on the relevant activity, what is going on the Salesforce mobile app. So after this, we can also do, for suppose if you want to get notified in mobile app, we can only able to view only 20 most recent notifications. Okay, not in the past 30 days. For suppose in the last month, if you want to view the notification what you got to the mobile, we can in the Salesforce app, you can easily check out, like WhatsApp and Instagram. You can check it out right in the notification bar. Like it, Like the same, we will be able to get the 20 notifications in the last 30 days, only 20 notifications, okay, in the last month. So push notification, what I mean by push means in app notification, while you opening the app, in app you'll be able to see. So for the Instagram app, will be in logo, will be having that 9 notification or 10 notifications, something like that. In the push notification, you will get to the mobile on the top of it. And alt appears on the user mobile device when the user has installed the mobile app. See, it's just normal, okay? Any app that's installed in the Android or Apple, you will get the notification. As simple as that. And depending on the device type also, these alerts can be customizable because the icon or the for suppose I'm using an iPhone or Android mobile, so you can be able to customize themselves by using the settings. You can able to customize the icon and all those things. In app notification also, we can able to enable the push notification. And Salesforce mobile are very much useful and handy also, and you use it anyway. See, while we can't carry our laptop everywhere where we go, and we cannot do things. If you want to go for shopping or something else, and if you want to plan a movie, if you want to get notified, if you want to get notified from something like Salesforce or a dashboard or reports or accounts or contact something that you build, and we can get notified easily. So that's the main thing. If you want to use, if we have to use the Salesforce mobile app. See, in addition to the standard notifications also, like for Salesforce admins, we can set up the customer notification. As I said earlier also, depending upon the use cases. For suppose if you want to doing a mini project or the customization of a project, you are able to do a developer role or admin or something. Admin can be able to do the customization of the notification what you're getting, depending upon the cases that we are getting. Like in the project customization, these type of notification we have to get. So these are the just a second. See, if you log into your developer edition org, okay, in setup, quick find box, if you search mobile app, then you'll be able to find this Salesforce branding, navigation, Salesforce notification, Salesforce offline, and Salesforce setting. These 5 you will be able to find. For suppose I'll let you know about this. I'm telling you about the notification part, right? We'll able to see. See, automatically it's enabled. Okay, I haven't enabled or I haven't unchecked or checked the box. Nothing I have done. I just simply logged into my developer edition bar and I simply searched in the quick find box the mobile, and that's it. And the Salesforce notifications, you will be having enable in app notification and enable push notification. See, keep users aware of irrelevant activity when they are not using Salesforce for Android. See, that's what I'm saying. If you're using the mobile app, it's okay. You can able to do it. If not, you just off it, because simply getting the notification, it's simply hard for you to get it right. Okay, I'll provide you some videos also. Just a second. These are very much helpful. I went through it and I thought that it will be helpful for all of you. Once the webinar is completed, you can go through all of them. Don't worry. And after that, as I said, we can enable the mobile app notification. So this is the mobile app notification, enabling app notifications. Okay. So after that, I told you what is the enable of. So working offline with Salesforce mobile app. See, first suppose you are not connected to any internet or any Wi-Fi, nothing mobile data. So if you can also work offline also by using your Salesforce mobile app, that's installed on your mobile, like catching and offline edits and enabling the Salesforce app. See, just a second. This is the Salesforce offline settings, okay, mobile app. See, this is automatically enabled. Or if you want to disable, you can, okay. First, you have to enable this one, okay, enable catching in Salesforce in Android and iOS, okay. This is if you want to enable, for suppose if you are on offline, you will not connect to the Salesforce mobile app. If you doesn't want to connect to the Salesforce mobile app while you're offline, you can uncheck this one. If you want to use while in offline, you can check this box. Enable, create, edit, delete, all the things we can do in Android and as well as in iOS also. Okay. So this is what it's saying on catching and editing. Okay. But Salesforce mobile apps are both in Android and offline that can be available because it supports both. But most of the apps that will support only in Android, not as Apple, like App Store, because the amount of security and it's able to help others because but there are both Android and Apple users are all over the world. So that's the main thing. And it's very much customizable also. And enabling offline access and edit. See, this is the settings. Go to the setup, search offline, and enable catching in the iOS. So this is what I'm saying. We can do it. Okay. Already mentioned. Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. See, I know how to do it without reading the saasguru because I learned from scratch and I have experience. But For freshers and experience, they don't know how to do everything. SaaSguru guides you one step by step. It's not, see, these are all steps. You can all read one by one, and these are all the links that are provided. And no app, I don't think no app, I don't mention the name, but no app that provides one by one. And I have done the quiz also. See, if you're right or wrong, it's not at all mandatory right now. But because learning is a process and it's a not, you shouldn't stop learning. Yeah. And going through it, so this is the settings that are enabled one by one. You can go through them, okay, so that you will get access. Visual indicators. See, for suppose if you want to like if you want to get notified, we have done that one, and we have finished completing the notification part. So Salesforce will come into the visual indicators. Suppose Salesforce displays visual indicators in several places. Like if you want to track the amount of usage that has been done in online or offline by using Salesforce mobile app. For suppose if you are reviewing any accounts or contacts or dashboards or something that are related to Salesforce while using your Salesforce mobile app, then we will be able to track all the things. In enabling this option, we will be able to view online and offline also. This is the main thing that you'll be able to do, and indicate that there are no conflicts or no changes while online or offline. This should be able to view ourselves if you're changing something or we haven't changed something. And the records disappear from the pending changes also, because once the records get synced to your Salesforce ecosystem, then your org, then it will be able to you'll be able to do it with your mobile also. After completing the session, you can try it out. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ping to me in Slack or LinkedIn anyway. Okay, I've tried it my mobile also, so that's why I'm letting you know. So indicates that there are conflicts to changes that must be resolved. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay, that's not to be worried, because if there are any conflicts, we can change it. And users can tap a record where an icon appears and resolve this issue. Okay, and indicates that the error has been occurred. Okay, if there any error occurred, it will show up right away in the app. If the conflicts or anything, we can able to solve it on our Salesforce app only. That is what it is able to meant. And when users tap on the record, they should be able to access. I mean, like if you see while using the app, we cannot only able to see the things that are able to view, but we can also edit or create also. That's what I'm able to mention, because we can also in offline mode also we can create, edit, and delete in the app. So it's very much customizable. And after that, in the offline access also, these are the considerations. See, for suppose um, we'll be having the create, edit, delete. These are the options that will be available. For suppose if you want to create these three options, we can able to do with the help of in task, contact, and related list also. Okay. And after that, there are record types. You know about record types, right? See, Salesforce, for suppose if you want to create any record types, you can go to the simply setup. I know most of the people know what is about record types and how they are useful also. For any object, we can create any record types. Okay. For suppose if you go to the account, I have created two record types here. Okay. And we can add it to the place layout also. So this we can able to view while in the this is the app launcher. Okay. I just created one app. That's it. The name and named it as recruitment. So in the account section, I created two record types and I've assigned it to the account page layout. Okay. And if you want to create any, see here we can able to see the two record types. For suppose if you're applying for any role in the job section, for in the job application, they'll be having the multiple roles, right? Manager, assistant manager, and developer, associate, and vice president. These are the type of so many type of roles are there. QA, all the people. So we'll be able to, these record types are useful for selecting multiple roles. We'll be able to select our required role. So help of record types, we can able to do it. And lookups and pick lists. So for suppose, and lookup filters and dependent lookup filters on all pick list and all the support, those are all available in the we can able to customize in the Salesforce admin part, that is in the app section. For suppose if we create any object, we can able to lookup relationship and pick list we can able to do depending upon the business creator what you're doing. For suppose a project or anything you want to able to do or finish. Like in the notes also we can able to see when working offline, sir, for suppose including emails are not available and emails can't be added to the notes. So offline we cannot able to do two things. So including emails are not available and emails can't be added to the notes also. Also users can't relate notes to records when working offline. So working offline there are three type of things that we can't able to do. That is, we cannot able to, including images that are not available, and including our images added to the notes are not available. We cannot able to add the image to the notes. And as well as the related notes also, when it comes to the records, when working offline, we can't able to relate the notes to the records. So quick actions, all the quick action like bark, icons, call, post, or change one, these are all the things we are not supported in the offline part. Okay, because most of the things in online everything will work fine, because we are connected to the internet now, we'll able to work everything. In the offline part also it will be helpful. What are the things we can't able to do while in offline? It is they are mentioning in saasguru, it's very well mentioned. Okay, so and it's very well organized also, and that meant to be. And mobile sale features, see sales features, what is different in mobile app. For suppose in website we can able to see all the sales app and sales features and everything, sales, marketing, service things, all the things. But when it comes to the mobile app, what we have installed in the mobile Salesforce mobile app. So what is the difference between the org that we are able to see in the sales and what we are able to see in the mobile app? So we'll see it here. Okay, and mobile sales features available in lightning experience. See, I'm not talking about the classic, I'm completely talking about the lightning experience, because we are completely into the lightning part. Okay, so like classic we have left it in a long way, and lightning experience, when it comes to lightning, so Salesforce browser instance may not be available because our work differentiately in the mobile app. So that's what I'm saying. In the sales features, not it will work properly, and it's very much organized and properly initiated. But when it comes to the mobile, some features like Salesforce browser may not be working properly, and as well as it will work somewhat different when it comes to the main org. I mean, like in the org, in the laptop or system something. In key functional fee differences in the Salesforce mobile app for different objects. For suppose in lead, there are, for suppose these are the objects. Just if you can see, this is lead. Okay, these are the leads that will be connected into the opportunity, will be connected to leads, so that we will be finding the duplicates. See, for every, there are so many standard and custom objects that are available in the Salesforce ecosystem. Okay, in our developer org. For suppose there are so many apps, also there are so many objects apart. Okay, for suppose it will work different, because the functional differences between each and every object will be handy and customizable also. And this is the lead, account, contact, opportunity, and forecast. Okay, for suppose the find duplicate, for suppose if you want to find the duplicate and unlock record buttons aren't available in the lead, whereas in the mobile app, I'm just saying you, and these are all the features that are available and not available in the only in the mobile app. I'm just discussing about it. Okay, and in lead we can't able to find we can find duplicates and unlock record buttons are not available. Okay, those are not available as of now, and duplicates can't be duplicate reads can't be merged. See, in our mobile or in a context, we can able to merge the context, right? It duplicates. If we want to find the photos, we can duplicate, and we can merge two photos into one. Okay, that's the thing of merge, meaning of merge. So, but we can't able to do in the mobile app, Salesforce mobile app, we can't able to do in leads. We can't able to duplicate the leads. Okay, we can't able to merge. Sorry. So the lead history related list isn't be available also. So it's not a it's also not one of the features not available in the mobile app. In account section also, for suppose the account hierarchies can't be viewed in the Salesforce mobile app. So we can't view in the Salesforce mobile app. These are all cannot be we can't able to view in the mobile app. Attachments can be viewed but can't be edited. Okay, and automated account field isn't available in the app also. So, and these are all I can't show it in the screen. If by hands on I can't able to, because I connected to my lappy, and in mobile you can just install your app and you can go through it, you can explore, because then only you can able to get so many doubts, because while explaining you will not get many doubts, as I think so. Okay, and contact also only views, or I mean like only actions to view or remove the account contact. See, account contact parent child relationship, as you know earlier also, like lead, opportunity, and account contact. These are all basic standard relations that are available in Salesforce ecosystem. So only accounts, only actions to view or remove the account contact relationship are available. Okay, only we can view or remove the account contact relationship. Okay, that are available in the mobile, but not to edit or delete. We cannot able to edit or delete the contact. So that's what I'm saying. Here when it comes to 1 second, see, even if we if we enable these two in our org, but we cannot able to view all these features. But only for these standard objects, we can't able to do these things. Okay, those are mentioned here. And the context cannot be added to the campaign. Okay, these also we cannot able to do. This is different between the when we're connecting in the org and as well as in the laptop and the browser or in the mobile app. The difference. Opportunity subtotal field, for suppose if we're adding any total amount or something in the subtotal, we cannot in an opportunity product isn't available. It's not available as of now. So cloning is something like it's almost like a duplicates. Okay, cloning with related isn't available in the Salesforce mobile. This is the feature is not available as of now. And price book lookup cannot be updated for an opportunity. Okay, and forecast also. If you go into the forecast, for suppose if you go into the forecast, like in the opportunity and forecast steps other than opportunity revenue, forecast step are not available as of now. Okay, it's also a simple thing. Once you go through all this content, definitely will be helpful for you. Okay, and users can edit their own forecast also, and but they cannot edit their subcoordinate forecast. And we'll just play through this video. I think definitely it will be helpful for you. Just a second, because having hands-on is very much needed as of now.
With the new Salesforce Mobile app, your entire business is instantly mobile, conversational, and smart so that you can truly run your business anywhere. When your team is on the road and away from their computer, they can start the day with a daily overview dashboard. And they can now visualize performance across the organization with Einstein Analytics and smart dashboards built in. So when your team arrives on site, they have access to all their customers' insights, including next steps they need to take for the opportunity. Sales reps can even talk to Einstein Voice Assistant and turn voice commands into immediate changes to contact and opportunity information, instantly creating tasks so the team can respond to the customer fast. Employees can also access every custom-built app so the entire workforce is more productive, like a self-service concierge app to help them get the resources they need faster. And admins can build entirely custom mobile apps that are unique to every business function using low-code tools, like adding quoting features or map integration. So your team can arrive safely, complete their work, and celebrate their wins. Download the Salesforce mobile app in the App Store or Google Play Store to get started and see how you can run your entire business from anywhere.
Yeah, actually, this is one type of Salesforce mobile demo, and yeah, this is the iOS and Android apps that are available from Salesforce.
Jane here is a sales rep for a major North American conglomerate. She uses the Salesforce mobile app to do all of her sales and sales-related activities wherever she goes. And she goes wherever the deal takes her. So she can negotiate face-to-face with Sue, a shrewd sarsaparilla shipper from Saskatchewan. Accepting her terms, she immediately sends a pricing request to HQ, while her sales manager Karen briefly interrupts her morning racquetball meeting with assistant Drew to send an instant reply, approving said request, making Sue and her staff some very happy customers. She heads off to meet with longtime customer and tech mogul Carl, makes a sale, and shows him their new loyalty app built on the Salesforce platform, allowing him to quickly go from points earning to rewards reaping. Jane then takes a quick detour after finding a new opportunity. Once found, acquaintances are made. Her schmoozing is successful and information is exchanged, allowing her to create a new contact, even though she's offline. Automatically syncing the second she's back in range. And with a little grit and some determination, she weathers the storm thanks to the help of Sales Path Guidance to close a whale of a deal with Pete off the coast of Barbary. Heading off to whatever obscure location the next deal takes her, closing more deals in more places in less time. Visit Trailhead to get started and learn how to run your business from your phone and sell from
So
anywhere.
this is the uses of like Salesforce by using the Salesforce mobile app and all the things. So go to the trailer, and these links are very much helpful. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me right away. And if you after going to the content or after going to the trailer and anything, saasguru website and all the things, if you have any doubts, you can reach out to the Slack and community and LinkedIn or any way. I'll be able to help.